Hey everyone, welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and today we're delving into the world of stock screeners, a powerful tool for investors looking to pinpoint the perfect stocks for their portfolios. So buckle up as we demystify what a stock screener is and how it can revolutionize your investment strategy. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you then sign up with your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. So what exactly is a stock screener? Think of it as a financial filter for the stock market. A stock screener is a tool or software that allows you to narrow down the vast universe of stocks based on specific criteria. It's like having a refined search engine tailored to your unique investment preferences. Stock screeners are incredibly versatile and can be customized based on various criteria such as market capitalization, price to earnings ratio, dividend yield, etc. You're essentially creating a targeted list of stocks that align with your investment goals. Stock screeners can be used for various purposes. Some investors use them to find undervalued stocks, while others may be on the lookout for companies with consistent dividend payouts. You can also screen for stocks with specific technical indicators or those meeting certain financial ratios. The possibilities are extensive depending on what you're looking for. And here at Insider Financial and many of our followers and subscribers on our channels, we're looking for short squeezes and low float plays. That is the stocks that are running. These are the ones that are squeezing the shorts. The low floats that have the potential to really fly. If you look here just on low float last week, I mean, NYSE was up 143%, VIEW was up 63%, PAPL was up 50%, and these are all low floats, meaning floats under 20 million, current volume over 400,000, and I use price over $1. I know a lot of people like the penny stocks under $1. For me, I prefer $1. I just feel more comfortable trading, $1 plus. It's just my preference. Everyone has their own preference, but the beauty of screeners is you can screen however you like it. You can look for any price, or stick with what I'm looking for is over. You could even look at the ones under $1. And here NXTP was up 52%, NOST was up 45%. You can, again, the possibilities are endless. And one of the great things about stock screeners is their user-friendly interfaces. You don't need to be a financial expert to use them. Most screeners provide a straightforward dashboard where you can input your criteria, and with a click of a button, you get a curated list of stocks that match your specifications. Here's, you can see the short squeeze list that I follow. So I'm looking at, market cap over 300 million, float, high short interest, meaning over 20%, current volume over 400,000, and today up. The reason why stocks, I want them up, I'm looking for those stocks that are running. And the stocks that are up that have the momentum to keep going. I'm not dip buying small caps. That's where you can really get in a lot of trouble. You just don't want to be doing that. It can really hurt you, and you can really become a bag holder. And I mean, look at some of these short squeeze charts. One that we've covered a lot this year is UPST. You dive in here. I mean, the stock was 52-week range, 1193 to 7258, pulled all the way back to $20. So we got this run here from 11 to 70, then pulled back all the way to 20. If you were dip buying, here you're underwater right now. And now the momentum has turned, and that's what we're looking for. I've been doing this a long time. Where you really make a lot of money in markets is when markets turn. it goes from bull to bear or bear to bull. That's what you're looking for. And here I formulate my stock watch list based on the screeners that I run. So this is, and I'll talk more in depth later on Sunday night about these stocks that I'm looking at for this week. I looked at the charts, I looked at the momentum, and I'll be watching these starting Monday. And if it goes red on Monday, I'm not going to be buying, but if it goes green, I'm going to dive in and start looking at the in depth, the 5-minute, the charts, and decide, hey, is the momentum there? Are they buying this? I'll be looking at level 2, etc., and really trying to see if the stock can keep going higher. So that's what I'm looking for, and I use these screeners to help formulate my watch list. And this is here, insider watch list that I use in my own trading. So I'm providing here with what I'm doing in my own trading. This is not just some random video. I'm telling you what I do. As I said, you can screen for dividend yields, financial ratios. I'm not a financial analyst. I'm a momentum trader. I'm looking for that momentum, before it happens, meaning I don't want it to be up, 300%. I want to try and get in, when it starts running. And that's the point of the short squeeze list here that I have. I'm looking for, okay, the stock starts creeping up here. Okay, is the momentum there? Can we really get a sustained move? And that's what I'm looking for. And here, again, you can set any criteria. You can, any exchange, market cap, float. You can go for low float short squeezes, anything that you want to do. It's all right here. So, the best thing you can do is go to finviz.com and then start playing around with it. Like here, I have top gainers, and this is just the signal. Top gainers from the end of the day. I'm not chasing. For me, what I find and why I like screeners so much, again, as I said, I look at the end of the day, I look at the stocks, at the charts, the closing day, where the stock closed at, the price. That is the most important thing. And then I'm looking at, okay, do I think that there's more upside, or have we topped out? Is there downside? Because yes, I will go short. I mean, I'll buy puts, etc. The Nvidia was a great call. It topped out at 505. Once it couldn't hold 500, you knew the stock was coming down. So, that was how I traded it, and I made money doing it. So again, that was based on looking at the charts and then putting it up on my watch list, saying, okay, well, this is a possible trade for tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing here. And here you can see the top gainers. So these are the stocks that ran on Friday. GSIW is up 155%. I look at it, okay, I'm seeing it. All right, is this something I'm going to consider? No, I don't know. This is just one day. Not interested. NYSE, it was green candle here, but it couldn't hold the gains. Pulled way back. There's a lot of bag holders in NYSE, so going to be cautious there. GGE got absolutely smoked, $1.50 down to under 30 cents. Had a bounce on Friday, but again, as I see, I really don't like trading under $1 stocks. You got to buy too many shares. I like the $1. I like that move, $1 to $1.50 to $2, etc. It's just so much clearer, and I make more money doing that. So, again, it's all personal preference. You got to find what works for you and where you make money. At the end of the day, it's not about being right or wrong, and it's not about being right. What I mean is, did you make money? At the end of the day, end of the week, end of the month, end of the year, are you profitable or not? And what I'm trying to do here is provide tools, here at Insider Financial. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, that you can start making money on your own consistently. So here's the top gainers. This is major news. I'm looking at the charts to see, is there a breakout? Is there the potential for moving? Tesla, Amazon running right into resistance. I don't know. It's really tough to go short Amazon, meaning buying puts or whatever. But, it's something here. Either we're going to break out or we're going to break down. So we're here right at trendline resistance. And, this screener allowed me to see that. So, you know, that's why I use a screener. You know, it puts things in perspective. Here's the low float list. Again, as I said, over $1 today up. You know, I'm looking for that momentum float under 20 million. So you can see this, and then you dive, you know, the reason I use the list is because I can clearly see, you know, as the day starts, you know, what stocks are running, what's making moves. But again, I try not to jump on a stock just, you know, based on the price action at the morning. If it wasn't on my watch list the previous night, because I find that's where I end up losing money, is a stock that I wasn't, that didn't hit my watch list the previous night. I jump in on a new stock, you know, after the market opens. Now, again, I will run screens pre-market, look at the charts, and formulate my game plan for the open. So those are the times I also do the pre-market screening. That works out for me. But, you know, for me, the best is doing the after the close. You can sit down and look at the price and see how the market did, how the stock did that day, and how it's looking on the charts. And again, lastly, you know, here, most active. Again, you can set these as charts. You can do overview. You can do it based on valuation, financial. It's all right here. You know, technical is, you know, telling you it's above the BETS, above the 20-day simple moving average, but it's below the 50 and 200-day, down 99% off the 52-week high. So it's giving you a clear picture of where the stock is, you know, and relative to how it's done over the years, over the past year. And again, it's descriptive, fundamental, technical. I use all so that I have them all up here. You can set, you know, is it optionable, shortable, not optionable, not shortable, current volume, you know, it's all right here for you. And the key is just playing around. So as I said, I use the top gainers. That is the signal, and I set up the charts. This way I get a clear picture. But again, my two favorite screens is the low float list. Again, these are over $1. Today is up, meaning the stock's higher. Current volume over 400,000. I don't want to, for a low float to run, you need volume. You know, look at these big runners, you know, big movers, 15 million shares, 19 million, you know, and then you could see the average volume, VIEW, you know, had 19 million shares, but the average volume is just 73,000 shares. The stock was up 63%. So you know that that's making a move, and you can see here. So we got that. What did the stock do? It opened at 70 cents, dipped to 66 cents, but ran all the way to 293. And you can see this here on the 5-minute. You can get a clear picture of what it did. Just tons of halts. I hate halts. Again, this is why, you know, when you get these under $1, you get these, you have to be buckle in, and it can be, halts are stressful. You know, you had the run up, first halt, sold off, meaning these guys that bought in, they booked profits. Then you got another move, spike here, halt. It was just an absolute. And then up here, 280, you got a lot of people buying in, thinking it's going to keep going. And next thing you know, the stock tanks, ends at $1. So again, it's. No one ever said trading is easy, but the key is if you follow rules, if you develop your criteria, your stock screens, you can put yourself so much closer to being a profitable trader. But another significant advantage of stock screeners is their ability to provide real-time updates. So this one here, you know, this is my low float list. Move over to the short squeeze list. This is updating, you know, once the market opens, this is updating. I mean, even, you know, it starts at 7 a.m. We'll start updating pre-market so you can get a sense of, you know, volume. If the volume is coming in, the stock running. So it's all right there that you can decide, you know, hey, is this a stock that's in play today or not? And the stock market is dynamic, and having access to the latest data is crucial. With a stock screener, you can monitor changes in the market and adjust your criteria accordingly. In conclusion, a stock screener is a must-have tool for any investor looking to streamline their stock selection process. Whether you're a value investor, dividend enthusiast, growth seeker, you know, a stock screener empowers you to find the stocks that align with your investment strategy. So explore different screeners, tailor your criteria, and uncover those hidden gems in the market. And here at Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. To get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. And if you want to trade 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click that link in the description for Webull. Open an account and deposit any amount and get 6 free fractional shares, each valued between $3 and $3,000. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is an solicitation and recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.